this is Vivek and you are watching Rotten Mac. Welcome to another video tutorial of Android Studio, and in this video tutorial we will learn how to rename your Android package. Now, well, there are two methods to rename your Android package. First one is when you're starting a new Android project, like I will show you here, and select empty layout, empty activity, and you can see here package name. It's given here com.tutorial.myapplication. So basically by default this package is com.example.myapplication, and there are many things where when you wanted to change your Android package name. The first thing, when you want to change this, let me first take this RM, okay, and this goes by RM. And if you want to upload this on Play Store, you have to remove this default one example. Okay, so what if you have already ignored this and you directly clicked on finish, and now how you will change from when you have already developed your app and load it? So what we'll do is, in that case, we'll select our already ongoing project, like here it is mine, and I will show you. So here you can see com.tutorials.webview, and I want to change this package. Well, it depends why you want to change. Either you don't like the name, you want to rename to something else, okay. So to do this, we'll just first of all make sure that you have selected Android. Okay, then we'll go on this setting button here, and we'll uncheck this compact middle packages. Okay, so now you can see it says it's been distributed in multiple package folders, and if you want to change either this, you can change either this or this. So I will change this. So to change the package name, you have to just right click on this and search for Refractor. Here you go, and then rename, then rename package, then give it any other name. I will give it Rotten Mac. Okay, okay, then Refractor, then here do Refractor. Now you can see I have successfully changed the package name. Now we'll just go and select this. Okay, you can see now com.rottenmac.webview. see here also it's been changed. Now we have to change somewhere else manually. Now what is that place? You'll come to Gradle scripts, build.gradle module app, and from here we have to change manually. Well, this is the only place where you have to change manually, and everywhere else it replaces automatically when you replace this, when you rename this one. Okay, so now we have successfully renamed, and now I will click on sync. So you can see the sync is finished and there is no error. So yeah, it's done. We have successfully renamed the Android package, and same we can do to rename this WebView too. So it's the same process. So this much for this video for now. And if you haven't watched my new WebView development video, I will give the link in here in this right corner. Go and check it out. So thank you and have a nice day.